Hi everybody, this is Nancy. I'm just checking in as I finished another project today. I made a chipboard tag that I wanted to share with you all, and I'm real excited about it because I think it came out really cute. First, I want to attribute the items, the stamps, to the Girls Papery, a stamp set that I recently purchased. I love the dress form on here, and they have some real nice little pieces for adding extra touches on a vintage card or tag or whatever your project might be. So these are the images that I used, the ruler and the clock and the dress form, to make my tag. The base tag, the black piece, is a very thin piece of chipboard. My friend Gracie picked up a package of it for me because I couldn't find any in any of the hobby stores around me. So then I got a die from Paper Tray Ink. You can see right here. It's about 4 by 6 in size. It's really nice, and cut the tag by running it through my Cuttlebug. And then I took another tag, this tag here that you can buy at any hobby store or online, and I sprinkled it with some walnut ink, and then I sprayed it with some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, and this happens to be old lace. You can't really see on the video how it shows up, but in person it's really pretty because it kind of has a little shimmer and sparkle to it. And then I added a couple of little flowers at the bottom and the buttons just for some extra character and charm, and the little it's a little sticker actually that says Unforgettable, but it's kind of antique-y. And then I put the Tim Holtz little second hands for the clock on top of the clock there, so it's really kind of cute. And then just a little kind of antique heart that I added to it. So it was a fun project, and then on the back side I signed my name. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm having a party at my house one of these days, and with some of the girls that I like to get creative with, and maybe I'll put it in a swap with them. But anyway, I hope you like it, and have a good evening.